Have you ever felt like fat loss was easier in your early 20s? You are eating clean, working out, but somehow nothing's working. Spoiler alert. After 25, your body doesn't play fair anymore. And if you are making even one of these 5 mistakes, you are probably stuck. Stick around till the end because the last one, most people never realize it and it's silently ruining their fat loss process. Mistake number 1. You are ignoring sleep and stress. When you are 25 plus, your stress is at an all-time high. Career, family, late night deadlines, and your sleep? Gone. But here's the kicker. High cortisol, stress hormone, makes your body store fat, especially around the belly. And if you're sleeping under 6 hours, your fat burning switch literally turns off. Fix? Start by sleeping 7 to 8 hours. No screen 30 minutes before bed. Try journaling or meditating for deeper rest. But even if you are sleeping right, this next mistake kills your metabolism. Mistake number 2. Only doing cardio. Cardio burns calories, but it doesn't build muscle. And after 25, your muscle mass naturally drops. Less muscle is equal to slower metabolism is equal to storing more fat, even if you are doing endless cardio. Fix? Do strength training 3 to 4 times per week. Focus on compound moves such as squats, push-ups, and rows. And yes, even bodyweight workouts at home count. You are training now. Great. But what if your diet is secretly making you fat? Even the so-called healthy foods. Mistake number 3. Overeating healthy foods. Almonds, peanut butter, granola, smoothies. Healthy, right? Yes, but also calorie dense. A handful of nuts is equal to 200 calories. A healthy smoothie could be 500 plus calories. Fix? Track your food just for 3 days. Not for a week, not for a month, just for 3 days. Use an app. You will be shocked. Focus on volume foods. Eat eggs, paneer, dal, oats, and veggies. But even if your meals are on point, this next one can erase your week's hard work in just 2 days. Mistake number 4. Weekend binge undoing everything. You are disciplined Monday to Friday and then Saturday hits. I deserve this. But guess what? 2 heavy meals on the weekend can wipe out your weekly deficit. Just like that. Fix? Plan your weekends like weekdays. Save 200 to 300 calories during weekdays to enjoy guilt-free treats. Or go for a low-calorie version, grilled versus fried. But even if you are eating perfect, your body might be burning fewer calories than you think daily. Mistake number 5. Underestimating NEAT. NEAT, non-exercise activity thermogenesis. Basically, how much you move when you are not working out. After 25, you sit more, you move less, and your calories burn drops big time. Even if you are working out 1 hour per day, you are still sedentary for 15 plus hours. Fix? Set a step goal, 7,000 to 10,000. Take calls standing, walk after meals, dance, clean, move more, burn more. Simple. Still here? Good. Because this final mistake is one almost no one talks about. Bonus mistake. Losing muscle by eating too little. Crash diets. Skipping meals. You might lose weight but not fat. You lose your hard-earned muscle. And the more muscle you lose, the slower your metabolism gets. This is why many people regain weight faster after a diet. Fix? Eat enough protein. 1.6 to 2 gram per body weight. Don't drop calories too low. Train to keep muscle. And if you want a full day Indian diet plan that fixes all this, I've got something special for you. Download free high protein cookbook and habit tracker. No sign up required. And please join this channel membership for more such perks. Hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you there.